In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the statement of earning on Fiverr. This walkthrough is perfect if you need an official summary of your Fiverr income for bookkeeping, taxes, or year-end reporting. I'll keep it simple and clear, and I'll add helpful context along the way so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Fiverr. You can also go directly to the site by entering the web address, but using Google is a quick way to get there if you're not already on the page. Click on the official Fiverr website in the search results, then sign into your account. For best results, use a desktop browser, since the menu names and layout can look different on mobile. Once you're on Fiverr, look at the top navigation and click on My Business. If you don't see this option, make sure you're in seller mode rather than buyer mode, because the earnings tools live under the seller view. From the My Business menu, click Earnings. This area shows your available balance, pending earnings, and recent activity. We're going deeper to get a downloadable document. Next, select Financial Documents. This section is where Fiverr keeps official reports you can save or share. It includes the Statement of Earning, which consolidates your yearly income details. In the Statement of Earning area, click Choose Date Range. This lets you specify the period the document will cover. You'll notice the control is centered on selecting a single month and year. Pick the month and year you want, and Fiverr will generate a statement that covers a full 12-month period tied to that selection. For example, choose a month that aligns with your fiscal or tax year so your report matches the period you need. If you work with an accountant, confirm which month-year anchor makes sense for your reporting. Now click Download Statement. Fiverr will prepare the file, typically as a PDF. If your browser asks where to save it, pick a folder you use for finance documents. If it downloads automatically, check your Downloads folder. It's a good idea to rename the file with the year and your business name for easy retrieval later. If the statement looks incomplete, double-check the selected period and confirm you had transactions during that time frame. Also, ensure your profile and payment details are up to date before generating the document so your information appears correctly. That's it. Your Fiverr statement of earning is now saved and ready to use.